What is up, guys? It is a week after Japan and I just got my shit together. I went back to work and I'm just starting to get shit together at the house. I have the 300ZX out there, so we're just going to move that into this garden for a few minutes right now. Holy shit, that was tight. Literally this much room on either side of the car. So I'm just going to move this out a bit and then move the Mini and show you the new things that I got before we move the Mini. Lucky enough to get these gifted free. Brand new workbenches and hardwood tops on them, and this one has a lovely big voice on it. So yeah, chuffed with that, really chuffed. So I'm going to get them out the back where the garage is, and then Aaron's coming over, give me a hand, lift the wall, and we'll get them bolted together and get a real start on the garage this weekend. So let's move this bad boy up to the end of the garden so we can get these tables outside. Now I am using the internal storage of this camera because I have the memory card out in the computer. The computer shit itself, so I'm trying to get a new laptop. Should be hopefully this week, and then I can get starting on the Japan video. So you'll obviously see all the Japan videos first and then this video. So yeah, welcome to the future. So Mini is moved, plenty of room here to get the gate open, and we can push this wall back a bit to where it needs to go, and then get the other two walls and bolt them together. I still need to get up on top of this and cut and drill the bits down the back, but yeah, that's it for now. I need to just get this table down and get them out the back and set up in place. So these are really good, nice thick wood. I'm going to put some steel on top of two of them and then leave one of them. This one is just going to be left with wood. This is just going to be the voice table and the pillar drill. I've got a pillar drill as well. We'll show you that in a second once we get these tables out the back. Also, we did get some goodies for the Mini. Nothing crazy. We got a new cap and we got rad cap and a few spoon socks and stuff. Also, this is going, we're getting rid of this, we're going back to tandem with the big brake, so hopefully that works better. And we're going to take all of this out and redo the engine bay and build a manifold for a turbo maybe. We shall see. Once we get this garage up and running, I'll be making loads of stupid things, not only for this engine to go into something stupid, but this engine is either getting a high comp build, a supercharger, or a turbo. Let me know in the comment section what I should do. Turbo, supercharger, or high comp. What do we think? So I've not been out this back garden since I got back from Japan. I literally got back from Japan and went to work. So it's actually not looking too bad. There's a few bits and pieces flung around the garden from the storm, but it's not looking too bad at all. Like all this shit and the ladder and all, that's completely fine. That can be moved. But the ground is looking still decent, and that's a bit bashed. That needs to go. But yeah, it's still standing. So I put up with a storm and everything is still here. So there's no damage done to the Mini. And yeah, let's get this side gate open and these tables out the back over into this corner. Now that's my doorstop, so yeah, loads of room now. Just gonna clear up this area here, move these over a bit so then we can get the tables in. And yeah, I need to get this lifted a bit so I can push it flush back to the wall, and then during the week I can get up and cut them, drill behind them and get them set in, so then we can get this wall and the other wall that's under it stood up. Right, that's one down. Let's take all the tape off and see what they look under these rubber mats. These aren't actually that bad. Nice hard wood, and it's fairly thick as well. That's all the tape that I'll have to like maybe just wash off or scrape off, I'm not sure. Comes off easy like that, but it'll take forever. But yeah, galvanized and powder coated, so a few scratches on the book. They're brand new tables and they were getting dumped, so the guy was like, do you want them? I was like, fuck yeah, give me them. So I got 1, 2, 3 of them, and that one has a voice over there, so I'm gonna do 2 lengthways and then 1 that way, so the big L in the garage. That will be amazing. So let's get this out there. And in typical urban fashion, all of this shit needs to be cleaned up before I can actually bring them out. We don't really have a lot of space with the other walls on the ground, so I'm just gonna move all the cladding over on top of this, so then that's free to stand, that's free to stand. So once someone does come over to give me a hand to lift them up, they can be put out of the way. I am thinking I'm just gonna put the tables here back to back and put one of the tables here just out of the way so I can unblock the garden, so we can put the cars back in the garden, close the gate over, and then maybe move the table back over into that position. So let's get all of this cleaned up. Now that that 10-minute job looked like a 4-second video, we just need to get this piece out underneath, but can't get that out until I lift this wall. And then all of these face boards, the corner pieces, need to just be sat here, and then put 2 of them here, one there, one on top, and the other one over there. Then I can sort out the front garden and get the cars back in, and then tidy up out here. Now get this one out and put it on top of this one, and then the last one can go over here, close the gate, sort this mess, and then get all here sorted. Number 2 table is out on top of that table, and this one is the hard one because it has the voice on it, so I'll have to flip it and be careful that I don't break anything. So let's get this one out of here, and then yeah, we move on. Now that one was a struggle. Still had the rubber mat on the table with the voice, and it did make it a bit heavier. I couldn't flip it either, so I just walked it with the legs, and it was a bit of a pain. So yeah, that's the last one out. So this one is going to be along this wall, and the other 2 are going to be along this wall. And yeah, I'm going to try and get some maybe 5mm thick aluminium or steel sheets to put on top of these, just so I can have them as welding tables, and that will be fabrication table. So that'll be for holding stuff to maybe holding stuff to weld on that as well. I could probably get the steel sheet for this one as well and drill through it and bolt that in. But that's a really good voice. I think they're like 300 quid online, and yeah, it's literally brand new shampoo and has never been used. It's literally brand new. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I am going to wrap this up so it's out of the elements, so it doesn't get destroyed. And yeah, typical fashion, it's starting to rain, so I think that's all we're going to get done for today. Hopefully tomorrow we can stand these bad boys up and get them bolted together, and then I can get that sheet on that, screw it in, drill it on, cut these, screw in the tops, and get that wall, that wall, that wall, and that wall finally all together. So it's time to lock this gate over and just get a general tidy. I cannot wait to drive this car this way, drive it in, bring it in, and turn it into my own garage where I can do my own work on it. I can't wait the minute I get all the walls up, the front and the door in. I can start putting my flooring in, I can start setting up the benches properly, and then get the roof done eventually. Like, I don't know, I'll have to save up a little bit. Might take me a month or 2, but it will be done very soon, and then it'll be a garage. It'll be a walking garage that I can do stuff in. I still need to get electrics in and lights, but that's not a big thing. I'll get one of my mates to come over and wire in a box that I can have a plug socket on every wall, a double plug socket on every wall, and power and lights, and we can do dumb shit. So yeah, make sure you subscribe for the dumb shit. I'm gonna leave it at that now. Short video just to get you updated just after Japan, and yeah, let's go. Subscribe, like, comment, and be dedicated. Peace out. See you in the next one.
Yo, look. Just wanna be Tony Pablo, top boy on speed like that though. Niggas all love hitting these back roads. This ain't a movie, this ain't no damn show. I got boys in Belfast, Glasgow, and a few yank toys like Asbro. In a place around here that can't go. He was a Sublik, well known sham bro. Got Tony Pablo, top boy on speed like that though. Niggas all love hitting these back roads. This ain't a movie, this ain't no damn show. I got boys in Belfast, Glasgow, and a few yank toys like Asbro. Place around here that I can't go. He was a Sublik, well known sham bro.
Yeah, go ahead, but I wouldn't be in. When I swear that I won't. Sad shams trying to vote me in. Not hurting them, don't care enough, bro. She can blow for days, she's Colombian. And she suck like a AVAC. Take a spin to the car park. Got me looking like Pablo. We stalling the bar, but yeah, this beat, bro, put me on it. She missed me, yeah, you will be honest. She doing a squat on it. She do a burpee on it. Colombia, don't fuck with you. That pilled him, I can look on it. Fuck yous on a map to get where I'm going. I'm just trying to put me on it, look.
Just wanna be Tony Pablo, top boy on speed like that though. Niggas all love hitting these back roads. This ain't a movie, this ain't no damn show. I got boys in Belfast, Glasgow, and a few yank toys like Asbro. In a place around here that can't go. He was a Sublik, well known sham bro.